Being encouraged to look out for one another by supporting initiatives that promote public health and community well-being. That call is coming in the wake of a donation of medical equipment and consumables to the Pakata Basic Health Center in Ilorin, the Kwara State capital, aimed at strengthening healthcare delivery at the grassroots. TVC News Ibrahim Alege reports.
A show of community support is reinforcing the Kwara State government's push to strengthen primary health care across the state. The donation comes just days after the state government completed the revitalization of 83 primary healthcare centers, part of broader efforts to bring quality healthcare closer to the people.
To the traditional rulers, community leaders, and good people of this community, this facility belongs to you. Its success depends on you taking ownership of the facilities.
Now, the community is also stepping in. At the Pakata Basic Health Center, health workers and residents gathered as a non-governmental organization presented hospital equipment and medical consumables designed to improve service delivery. The items, which include essential medical supplies, are expected to boost routine healthcare services and reduce the financial burden on patients who depend on the facility for basic care. Speaking at the event, Saliman said the gesture was driven by a desire to give back and support ongoing public health efforts.
You know, giving back has always been part of me, right from when I was growing up. So I always encourage, well-to-do individuals, they should give back to the society. And I think if people follow that same model, then we will have less reliance on the government, and then the community at large will be better off, in general. So that motivates me, that drives me.
He added that intervention goes beyond equipment donation. Residents of Ubandawaki Ward will also benefit from the medical supplies at the center, with special consideration for those who cannot afford basic health care. Officials of the Pakata Basic Health Center welcomed the support, describing it as timely and impactful, especially following the recent government-led upgrade of primary health care facilities across the state.
In fact, we really appreciate it from the community, even though from the facility. So we encourage other people that from outside, they should come and do more to the facility. They should help the needy. So as he's doing now, it's a great something.
As government and community efforts continue to align, stakeholders say sustained collaboration remains critical to ensuring primary health care centers are functional, accessible, and responsive to the needs of the people. Ibrahim Alege, TVC News, Ilorin.
And Ibrahim Alege joins me now to tell us more about this development. Ibrahim, this donation is being framed as a boost to grassroots healthcare. From what you observed, how important is this intervention for the Pakata Basic Health Center and the community itself, and what kinds of medical equipment and consumables were donated?
Yeah, thank you, Banke. Of course, you recall that the state government has just revitalized 83 primary health centers. But beyond this, governments also expect that people should, support the government in order to provide the basic health care for the people. So government cannot do it alone. So that's why people like these are necessary to, ensure that people access these facilities. And beyond this, the donor is equally asking those within Ubandawaki ward to access free health services in Pakata primary health care. That is going to take care of the finances. So it's a good development for them, particularly those living around that area. Some of the items donated include some silent kits, first aid kits, certain consumables like hand gloves, and some other necessary things that are needed, to ensure that the health care system goes on very well within these facilities.
Okay, from interactions on ground, how did health workers at this center respond to the support, and what are the expectations of residents as regards how this donation could improve access to healthcare?
Absolutely, they are very happy about this development, and they are also calling on some other well-meaning individuals to equally assist in ensuring that some of these items are donated to the hospital. Not just the Pakata Primary Healthcare Center, but also other healthcare facilities within the states. It's like being a brother's keeper, and so they are very happy about it. And the people of the community equally came out in mass to appreciate the donor and also to sensitize the people of this community that they can equally access free health medical care, provided you are from Ubandawa keyword. So they are very happy about this development, and they're calling on others to emulate this kind of gesture.
Okay, thank you. TVC News, Ibrahim Alege, thank you for joining me, and season's greetings.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Well,